My name is Amy. I've been working at dormakaba now for 12 years and I'm a service technician.
My name is Jake. I'm a service technician and I've been working at dormakaba for the last 4.5 years.
I really like the role that I'm in. I like the flexibility of my job.
I love the autonomy and the trust the office gives me to work independently and service customers' needs.
I love working in a team at dormakaba. We do our toolbox meetings, which is a great chance for us to catch up. We go through our safety issues, training, anything that's new to the company.
The support here at dormakaba is great. You know, being on the road, support from the office staff, dispatchers, field managers, there's always support there.
You're working as a part of a team at dormakaba. Some days we work with technicians and other days we work independently. If you're not sure about something or you're not sure how to fix it, you can always rely on calling one of your workmates and they will help you out.
So the team environment's quite good as well. They're very often doing two-man jobs and the camaraderie amongst the technicians is quite good.
Trust has definitely opened doors for me at dormakaba. Dormakaba trusts me, my service manager trusts me and my field manager trusts me to make sure I'm doing the right thing and that I'm able to do this. They've provided me with the training and all the tools and equipment to be able to do my job. Yeah, I've had their support all the way.
I appreciate that the office trusts me to do my job properly and it's important to me that they support me and I trust that they are going to be there if I need them. The client base varies drastically. You'll see things from your mum and pop type small business owners having issues with their automatic door to often you'll deal with big clients, construction companies. It's quite varied.
Typical day as a service technician would be I'll call accept the first job that I'm going to. It might be a maintenance to start me off with. Once I finish on that job, I would log it off on my iPad and then I would go to my next job. You're never in the same place, so you don't really know what you're going to be coming up against every day, which is kind of exciting.
Every day is different. I enjoy dealing with different people, seeing different things. Heading to site, liaising with customers or clients, operations managers, that sort of thing, and just getting on with it, fixing doors.
I love being on the road. I love getting into my car and just driving. The exciting part of my job is no day is ever going to be the same.
What makes me proud about the time I've spent here at dormakaba is that my personal growth, my career development has gone through the roof, and it's been just a great general place to work.
If you're looking to join dormakaba, I 100% recommend it. It's a great team environment, a lot of support, and the job is very rewarding.